What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button to join the family. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Y'all, I gave up. I am literally throwing in the toils. No more empty promises. But y'all have to be mindful that I am just a 9-to-5 girly trying to make it. So time is of the essence. When I do have time, I am usually tired, but I'm doing my best. Also, lately I have not been doing anything spontaneous, adventurous, none of that. And I didn't want to give you guys boring content, but to my surprise, y'all rather anything than nothing, because I'm over here thinking I have to have quality over quantity, but y'all want it the other way. So going forward, I'm going to be doing weekly vlogs, posting on Saturdays. Yeah, so I'll be vlogging my entire week, then posting it on Saturdays. So hopefully y'all see what I be doing, why I seem to not have enough time. And yes, I did have some videos in my drafts, but after looking at them, I don't know, I just decided that I'm not going to make those public. I don't know, I just fell out of love with them. I guess I didn't like them anymore, and that's the thing with me. The longer I look at something, the more I draw away from it. But yeah, I don't know, I just have not been feeling anything lately, and I said this in my updated video. I think it was in December. But yeah, all in all, I think this is a better strategy for me, because at least y'all get to see what I do during the week that makes me busy. I want to say it's going to be every Saturday, but for right now, I'm gonna make it every other Saturday. I'm going to try my best to keep up. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it's not boring to y'all, and if it is, y'all are going to let me know. I'm going to see the stats anyways, but yeah, it's going to be good. I can feel it, because I love just picking up my phone and recording like random stuff, and this is what this is going to be. Because my other contents before, they were usually planned and not spontaneous, and yeah, that gets kind of chaotic or lame if I have nothing planned or nothing doing. You get me? So yeah, that's my little update. See you guys.
May I have your attention, please?